Now we will start question number 10 of exercise 9A. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 5,000 amount to rupees 5,500 in two whole 1 upon 2 years? What will be find? Rate. तो we rate question mark. It means हमको ये क्या करना है? फाइंड करना है. What rate percent per annum will 5,000 rupees? It means P is equal to rupees 5,000. It means principal is equal to rupees 5,000. Amount to rupees 5,500. Amount is equal to rupees 5,500. Time is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 2. 2 2s are 4 or 1 5. 5 upon 2 years. Clear? Now find the rate. What is the formula of rate? Simple interest into 100 upon P into T. Simple interest is not given in the question. So first we find simple interest. Simple interest is equal to A minus P. Amount minus principal. 5,500 minus 5,000 is equal to rupees 500. Rupees 500 is simple interest. Now put the value. Simple rate is equal to SI कितना आया 500 into 100. P is equal to 5,000 multiply by T is equal to 5 upon 2. मैंने पहले भी बताया था अपॉन के नीचे जब अपॉन होता है तो उसका डिनोमिनेटर कहाँ चला जाता है ऊपर. तो हाउ वी कैन राइट इट? 500 into 100 into 2. 2 कहाँ आ गया ऊपर. नाउ 5,000 into 5. 2 0 cut by 2 0. 1 0 cut by 1 0. 5 cut by 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are R is equal to 2 2s are 4%. Clear everyone? Now question number 12. The simple interest on a sum at 5% per annum in 6 years is rupees 384. Find the sum. Find the sum means find the principal. Find करना है. Question mark लगाया. What is given? Rate. Rate is equal to 5% per annum. Now time. Time is equal to 6 years. And simple interest is given. The simple interest on, इसका मतलब कौन सा है simple interest? 384 is equal to rupees 384. Now write the formula. P is equal to simple interest into 100 upon R into T. Simple interest is 384 into 100 divided by 6 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 0. ये क्या निकल रहा है बच्चों? प्रिंसिपल. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. तो कितना आया? 64 into 20. 64 2s are 128. 0 का 0. तो कितना आया? प्रिंसिपल इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 1,280. क्लियर? Let's question number 13. Randhir borrowed rupees 7,000 from a bank at 8% per annum. He returned the money after 9 months. How much did he pay back all together? यानी कि कितना मनी उसने वापस किया. इसका मतलब हमें क्या निकालना है? अमाउंट. क्योंकि वो इंटरेस्ट वाले रुपीज़ भी रिटर्न करेगा और जितना उसने बोरो किया वो भी करेगा. तो फर्स्ट वी राइट प्रिंसिपल हेयर इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 7,000. R is equal to 8% per annum. Time is equal to 9 upon 12. तो बच्चों क्या आएगा? 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 upon 4 years. Now time we convert into the years. Now write simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. 7,000 into R is equal to 8 into T is equal to 3/4 multiply by 100. 2 0 cut by 2 0, 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 70 multiply by 6 is equal to 7 6 are 42, 0 का 0, तो कितना आ गया 420 रुपीज़ इज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. Now how much did he pay back altogether? It means we find amount. Amount is equal to P plus simple interest. P is equal to 7,000, SI is equal to 420. तो कितना हो गया बच्चों ₹7,420. तो we write here he will pay ₹7,420 all together. Clear? Now remaining questions we will do tomorrow.